Starting around 05 August 2023, Velo, in every way that really matters, is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.35% in kind of most recent 60 minutes, which basically is genuinely huge. Velo basically has a kind of complete market cap of $18,177,495, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $7,817,479, which is genuinely critical. This certainly makes Velo genuinely positioning at 599 in the digital money market. Or so they for the most part thought. On the off chance that you essentially are a crypto financial backer, and considering what certainly is the Velo cost expectation end of 2023. What will Velo really be fundamentally worth in 2023? Which especially is very critical. Is Velo a truly wise venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2023 in a very huge manner? Will Velo cost in every practical sense outperform its untouched high? Or so they by and large thought. These by and large are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future in a truly significant manner. Velo value expectation 2023. As per the Velo estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Velo cost by and large is supposed to basically cross a normal value level of $0.003, the normal in every way that really matters, least value worth of Velo, toward the finish of the kind of current year, ought to be $0.003, which most certainly is very critical. Besides, Velo can truly arrive at a sort of most extreme value level of $0.003. Velo value estimate August 2023. The kind of normal cost of Velo could generally go to $0.003 toward the finish of August 2023, which generally is very critical. Velo could basically be exchanging around a genuinely greatest worth of $0.003, with the genuinely least expected cost of $0.002, showing that on the off chance that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Velo cost expectation end of 2023. What will Velo certainly be by and large worth in 2023, in an extremely significant manner? Velo value gauge September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Velo truly is gauged to be at around a genuinely least worth of $0.003 in a really significant manner. The Velo value worth can basically arrive at an exceptionally limit of $0.003, with the extremely normal exchanging worth of $0.003 in United States dollars, which generally is very critical. Velo value figure October 2023. The truly normal cost of Velo could generally go to $0.003 toward the finish of October 2023, which truly shows that these certainly are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future, which certainly is very huge. Velo could generally be exchanging around a genuinely greatest worth of $0.003, with the genuinely least expected cost of $0.003, exhibiting that Velo value expectation 2023. As per the Velo conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Velo cost for the most part is supposed to fundamentally cross a normal value level of $0.003. The normal especially least value worth of Velo toward the finish of the really current year ought to for the most part be $0.003, which basically is genuinely huge. Velo value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the greatest cost for Velo could truly stretch around $0.003 in a genuinely huge manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of Velo in November 2023, especially, is $0.003, with a genuinely normal cost of $0.003, or so they basically thought. Velo value conjecture December 2023. In December 2023, the by and large greatest cost for Velo could especially stretch around $0.003, showing how Velo value estimate September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Velo especially is gauged to be at around a base worth of $0.003 incredibly. Besides, the minimum cost of Velo in December 2023 by and large is $0.003 with an in every practical sense normal cost of $0.003. Velo in every practical sense, past value examination, in the beyond 24 hours, the crypto really has been explicitly diminished by 0.54% in its certainly current worth, which basically is very critical. Assuming we basically think about the exceptionally current market cap of the Velo with yesterday's, you can really see that the market cap truly is likewise down, or so they especially thought. Velo explicitly is confronting a genuinely difficult time jumping aboard with in every practical sense. Other crypto coins, extremely further appearance how Velo value figure October 2023. The very normal cost of Velo could basically go to $0.003 toward the finish of October 2023, which in every way that really matters, shows that these by and large are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future in an unobtrusive manner. The Velo is down to nearly 5.83% in the genuinely most recent 7 days, showing how Velo value figure September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Velo in a real sense is determined to truly be at around a fundamentally least worth of $0.003 in an all things considered significant way. The coin certainly is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for commonly past certainly couple of days. The coin could have major areas of strength for certainly in any case. We don't actually imagine that it would a beneficial resource in present moment, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Inside the sort of most recent 1 month, the cost of Velo especially diminished by 61.587%, wiping out an incredible in every practical sense normal amount of $0.004 from its all things considered current worth. Further appearance how this makes Velo sort of positioning at 599 in the cryptographic money market, which truly is very critical. This unexpected down sort of implies that the coin explicitly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can explicitly be an especially decent basically purchase and open door for truly speedy interest in an unobtrusive manner. The 90 days cost change fundamentally is near 13.61%, and the cost basically flowed from a base truly normal cost of $0.003 to by in large greatest especially normal cost of $0.003 in the truly beyond 90 days, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. In certainly most recent 4 months Velo basically has shown a developing pattern, which truly is very huge. In this way, we especially believe that comparable pieces of the market were very famous at that period in an essentially significant manner. As indicated by the kind of the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Velo essentially is expanded from 4 months, which fundamentally is very critical. The exchanging volume comprises an essential job in its cost, or so they fundamentally thought. The coin generally is up by 13.28% with the in every practical sense greatest kind of normal cost of the coin basically was around 0.0